Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, December 11, 2024. Today's video is about the shells and jets of galaxy Centaurus A. What's the closest active galaxy to planet Earth? That would be Centaurus A, catalogued as NGC 5128, which is only 12 million light-years distant. Forged in a collision of two otherwise normal galaxies, Centaurus A shows several distinctive features including a dark dust lane across its center, outer shells of stars and gas, and jets of particles shooting out from a supermassive black hole at its center. The featured image captures all of these in a composite series of visible light images totaling over 310 hours captured over the past 10 years with a home-built telescope operating in Auckland, New Zealand. The brightness of Cen A's center from low-energy radio waves to high-energy gamma rays underlies its designation as an active galaxy. Astrophysicists, browse 3,500 plus codes in the Astrophysics Source Code Library. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.